So most people solve this question like 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. So now 30 divided by 6, in the parenthesis 5. Now 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Right? So 30 divide 30. So now 30 divided by 30 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, and second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this problem, first we have to solve this parenthesis, right? So now 30 divided by 6. Now solve this parenthesis, 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. So 5. Now here we have one division and here we have one multiplication, right? So according to PEMDAS, multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So is equal to 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5 times 5. So now 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So the correct answer is 25, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.